TTL computer. I haven't done a video in a while. So updates. I moved the data input switches down to a new board and have added that as an official input port so the computer can gather input programmatically from the switches. Also allowed me to fix the pull-ups on the pull-up resistors on the data bus that needed to be fixed that was causing me some problems. I also changed the ALU code. All the control lines generally have a one-to-one correspondence with the item they're controlling. Port A in, port A out. The same was for the ALU. But I changed that code so that I can use a combination of those lines to trigger different operations in the ALU. So that'll give me the ability to have 4 operations in the ALU. So now I'll have probably add and subtract, and OR and XOR, I think, are going to be the functions that we'll have. And right now we have our countdown loop running, and that's using a decrement. It's using an actual subtraction statement rather than a negative number. It's using a subtract 1. So that's working pretty good, but there seems to be an issue in the way I'm doing that code, because every once in a while looks like the ALU glitches out and does an addition or something instead of the subtraction. So I'm going to have to look at that code closely and try and clean that up, because there can be some weird timing issues where the signal changes, the operation changes right midstream. So I have to be careful about that. Anyway, the countdown timer seems to be running okay right now. We're at 1. When it gets to 0, it should halt. So we'll just wait for that to happen. And there we go. And that should be halting. And there we are, halted. Thanks.